Amy Ferguson with K9s Unleashed. Today we are here with Dr. Tabony with Indian Trail Animal Hospital and Lennon. Today we will have Dr. Tabony describe to us how the industry is changing for us and how we can make heartworm preventative in a much easier fashion. Is that right?
Yeah.
I'm hopeful.
Yeah,
Okay.
absolutely. I mean, that's all what we all want these days, right? Is to do the best by our pets, but not to make it too difficult on ourselves. So just a little background, I'm sure you guys as pet owners know that heartworms come from mosquito bites. So it seems hard to believe, but a tiny little infected mosquito can inject a tiny little heartworm into your beloved pet. And then about 6 months later, that worm can be living in the heart, lungs, and vessels and grow up to a foot long. So, and it's not, of course, just one of those. It becomes multiple of them. And the problem with heartworm disease is that the pets don't show clinical signs until they're in heart failure. So that can take multiple years. And what we don't see, we tend not to worry about. So our pets can have a devastating disease, but we don't know it unless we're doing regular testing with our veterinarian. So historically, heartworm prevention has been an oral chewable that we give each month. Now there's a study this year that said almost 6 out of 10 of us, veterinarians sometimes included, miss, or we're late, we're busy, we've got kids, families, multiple dogs, businesses.
I'm guilty.
We're guilty.
Yep, I'm guilty.
And we want to do the best, but we miss. And even just a little bit of a miss can be a big risk for our pets. So what we're excited about is not that those are going away, because there are advantages to some of the broad spectrum nature of the intestinal parasite coverage that those products do provide. But for those of us that do admit that we have missed, there's now going to be, or there now is, a 12-month injection that will protect your pet from heartworms for the whole year. Now some people say, well, it gets cold in the winter, do I have to give heartworm prevention in the winter? And the answer is absolutely yes. We are in the hotbed of the country. The disease is increasing. We have over 100 cases per clinic in our area, and you know how many veterinary clinics you have around your area. So that's more than 100 cases per clinic in our region of a devastating and deadly disease. So new options on the horizon right here now. We're going to be getting ours in next week even, so we're ready to go to protect pets. We have had a 6-month injection, so your veterinarian may have talked with you about that in the past. But now for dogs a year and older, we can do that whole year.
Fantastic. That is so exciting, because I think we need to be more vigilant on the changes in the industry, and so we can keep up to date, and that we just become more aware and we can stay in tune
And protect our buddies.
and protect them. Absolutely. Heartworm is so unfortunate, and treatment is not fun. So
Yes, you do not forget the cases that you treat that are in end stage. And the saddest part is when families are forced with making decisions to treat pets that are in the end stage of disease, but they could have known about it and prevented it years before. So get out there and prevent your pets. Talk to your veterinarian, including us at Indian Trail Animal Hospital. I'll be more than happy to help you.
thank you for joining us today. Look forward to our next YouTube video.